Welcome back. This is Eugene again. If you're a cash buyer and whether you are running Google Ads or you are about to start running Google Ads, this video is for you. This is going to help you drop that high cost of, lead from what we have seen in most cases, people who are running bad, and I mean like crazy Google Ads that have about 1,500 per lead to what we have done, gotten that high cost per lead from 1,500 to about 220, and subsequently we dropped out down to 140 is because we have done it right. We decide to review our ad campaigns right in the middle of January of last year and decided that we will look at things that were not working and why things were not working. And through that review, we crushed it. We are doing great with Google Ads today. This is not magic. Google Ads work based on the data you feed in. Google Ads work if you do your homework. For example, with cash buyers, writing great ad copies, making sure you have the right tier of keyword, making sure you are bidding right, making sure you are using the right landing pages for every campaign or every ad situation that you are running. This is all going to trickle down and bring down the cost of your leads and make your ads more effective, make you close more deals because when you get quality leads, you close more deals, you make more money, you grow better. This is why I want to take this time again and teach you what no one is going to teach you for free, okay? But I'm willing to share that knowledge with you. So if you're a cash buyer, make sure you watch this video to the end because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you other two secrets, what you need to do before you can start running that Google ad campaign for your Google ads to be more profitable more than any other person in your market. So first of all, I call this the 3-tier keywords, okay? You need to write your ad copies based on number one, I say co-buyer intent. Okay, co-buyer intent, these are people who are researching for, say, my house in a particular city, for example, say my house first in Gary, Indiana, or say my house first in Hammond, Indiana. And what you do is when you write these ad copies specifically targeting these people, cash home buyer near me, for example, and together with the cities that they're searching, they will definitely get to see your ads because Google is going to show them your ads, meaning Google understand what they're looking for and they know what they're looking for. So once they see your ad, targeting them, they will click on your ads, visit that homepage. I mean, visit your landing page, which again is going to be specifically for that city and specifically for the reason they are searching on. So this is very high intent keyword here. And again, I'm repeating these ads basically say my house first in a particular city, cash buyers near me, um, we buy houses near me, we buy houses, companies near me, um, home buyers near me, and these basically are your money keywords. So make sure you write your ads targeting these people in these specific cities and make sure you are using the right landing pages, which is also targeting the same cities with the form on the top. And make sure you have great trust signals on that page so that when they get to that page there won't be any hesitation. They will click and fill that form and you'll get the right leads. Tier 2 here is targeting people with particular situations. So for example, say my house during foreclosure, say inherited home, say house during divorce. So this particular tier is targeting people who are already going through a situation. They want to sell a house, whether they are going through a foreclosure, they are tired landlords, they just want to sell it and move out and have to leave dealing with tenants. So you are targeting specific people with specific situations. And when they land on that page again, see your ads, targeting them, they land on that page, they fill in that form so fast because they know exactly what they're looking for. So when they get on that page, again, there is no hesitation. They are looking for you while you look for them. Okay. And this could be there could be lower competition with this type of ads, but they work great because they are targeting specific people with specific situations. So make sure this is your tier 2 and write ad copies that specifically target people with these situations. So when Google show them your ads and they see your ads and click on your ads, they won't waste time to fill out form, and you get in touch with them quick and get that lead close. So tier 3 on this campaign setup is mostly, kind of, retargeting, but again, it's search. It's not display, it's retargeting. And you are right now still targeting people who have these problems, okay, whether they are behind mortgage, say my house behind mortgage, which again is closely related to the tier 2, but in this case, these people are coming back after they have searched, maybe have not touched any ad campaign or click on any ad campaign or visited your page and didn't do much, but they have other issues that are related to the tier 2 issues, and you target them. This is to ensure you are targeting everybody within the market in every specific situation and every specific city. Every specific reason that they may be looking for you, you need to be all around. So whether you want to appear on top of the Google search or whether you want to appear within Google AI or in the middle or at the bottom of the page, you want to be everywhere where your clients or motivated sellers are going to see you and hit your ads, click on your ads, visit your page, fill in that form so that you can get to them. So these are the 3 tiers I encourage people to write their ad copies. And again, I talked about having specific situation pages and city pages in every market you do business. This helps you get the right people to the right landing page, and it makes them convert. It makes your Google ads high quality goes up. I mean, it makes your Google ad quality score goes up because again, this pages specifically target specific people, and Google knows that Google have all the information they need to know about that page, and it makes your Google ads perform better than every other ad campaign that is basically sending people to the landing page or home page of their website or a specific landing page. It doesn't work in 2026, and I promise you that is why so many people are spending lots of money on Google Ads and getting almost nothing out of it. If you allow me run your campaign, I guarantee you, you will dominate your market. You will start getting quality leads more than any other person in your market using these strategies. All right. And you would definitely do well with Google Ads. That myth that Google Ads doesn't work is just because you have not gotten the right person to run Google Ads for you. When you get the right person with the experience, like me coming in with more than 15 years, 16 years of digital marketing and experience, you would definitely crush the market. Now, I promise you at the end of this video, I was going to share very important key points, or let me say secrets, that you definitely need to know or do before you start running Google Ads. And I tell you this. Number one, I want to tell you that before you start running your Google Ads, get a negative keyword list and add to your campaign before you start running Google Ads. You can ask Claude or ChatGPT to specifically collect or give you that list of negative keywords, and you add this to your Google Ads before you start running Google Ads campaign. This prevents your Google Ads to show on people who are not relevant or you don't need them clicking on your ads. That lowers your cost of ad spend and make sure your ads are spent for specific reasons or the right people or the right reasons why you are running those Google ads. And the second secret here is basically making sure you have all your integration done correctly. If you don't do this, don't run Google ads. Google ads work based off of the data you provide to it. the data you give Google Ads helps Google Ads target your ads more appropriately. So if you don't have your integration done correctly, like getting your website integrated with basically Tag Manager link back to your Google Ads, so Google can track who is clicking on what and how they are filling those forms. And of course, if you do a great job and over time even integrate your Google Ads with your CRM, Google is going to basically look at who comes through your website, what they do if they fill that form or become a lead, and how you move them through your CRM. From lead to opportunity to closing, Google is going to gather that data and we help target your ads more appropriately, and your Google Ads will become more profitable. So make sure you do these things before, and I repeat, before you start running Google Ads. Don't say you will start today and then do it tomorrow. Do it before you start running your Google Ads. So again, closing for this video, if you are a cash buyer and you want your Google Ads to be run by an expert or someone who knows what works, reach out to us, Ray Rank. We're here to help you. We want to work with you. It could be a free consultation. We want to help you. We want to see you succeed. So if you want that free consultation and you want us to review your Google Ads, look at what has been happening and how we can help your Google Ads become more profitable, reach out to us and we are here to help you. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.